Today we're going on a fascinating journey through the aging brain and all the factors that influence how we think, feel, and remember as we grow older. Biological aging is influenced by a mix of genetic factors, your unique DNA blueprint, and environmental factors like lifestyle, diet, and exposure to stress. For instance, certain genes like the APOE4 allele can increase the risk of cognitive decline. Meanwhile, lifestyle choices such as maintaining healthy folate levels or managing triglycerides and cholesterol can also make a difference. Our cognition, how we think, learn, and remember, is deeply rooted in brain structures like the hippocampus, medial temporal lobe, and frontal cortex. These areas form the brain cognition pathway, a highway that supports everything from episodic memory, the story of our lives, to work memory, which helps us juggle multiple tasks. Posterior pathways, including the parietal cortex and posterior cingulate cortex, are also crucial for self-reflection and navigating our environment. Aging isn't just about slowing down. It can sometimes involve pathological changes, neurofibrillary tangles, and amyloid plaques, which are associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. These tangled proteins disrupt neurons, our brain's communication hubs, leading to neuronal dysfunction and progressive cognitive impairment. Neuroimaging techniques helps us peek into the city's inner workings, revealing challenges like cortical thinning and reduced brain volume. For example, a thinning cortex in the frontal or parietal areas can signal early signs of cognitive decline. Also, conditions like mild cognitive impairment, the brain's compensatory pathway, may try to reroute around damaged short-circuit potential routes in a desperate attempt to keep things running smoothly. Inflammation plays a role. Chronic inflammation, oxidative stress can damage neurons and support cells like astrocytes and microglia, which are the brain's cleanup crew. When overwhelmed, they contribute to damage instead of repair. Mitochondria, the power plants of our cells, becomes less efficient, leading to energy shortages and increased reactive species. On the biochemical front, neurotransmitters such as serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine are key players in mood, motivation, and cognition. Their imbalance is linked to depression, schizophrenia, and other psychopathologies. Monoamine theories suggest that low serotonin levels might contribute to depression, making mental health as vital as physical health for a thriving city. The mammalian target of rapamycin, or mTOR, is a complex that controls cell growth, transcription, and translation. When mTOR signaling goes awry, it can impair autophagy, leading to a buildup of cellular debris and further neuronal damage. In summary, aging affects our brain through a combination of genetic, environmental, and biological factors. Thanks for joining me on the tour of the aging brain. Stay curious and take good care of your mental city.